Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel Saleha'sZone. Dear audience, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। Here are some more Father's Day quotes. Number 1. By the time a man realizes that maybe his father was right, he usually has a son who thinks he is wrong. Number 2. The oldest and strongest emotion of mankind is fear, and the oldest and strongest kind of fear is fear of the love, on the fear of the fatherhood. Number 3. To be a good father and a good husband is a lot of work, but it's work I embrace. Number 4. Being a good father is like being a good gardener. You prune, you water, you nurture, and you watch it grow. Number 5. My father did not tell me how to live. He lived and let me watch him do it. Number 6. Fathers, be good to your daughters. You are the God and the weight of her word. Number 7. The best fathers have the softest hearts. Number 8. A father is a banker provided by nature. Number 9. The most important thing in the world is family and love. Number 10. Dads leave a legacy that lasts a lifetime. Number 11. The greatest gift I ever received was my father's unconditional love. Number 12. Fathers are the rock of the family and the foundation of the child's future. Number 13. A good father is one who gives his children the freedom to make their own mistakes and the security to know he shall be there to catch them if they fall. Number 14. The older I get, the more I realize how much my dad meant to me. He was a good man, and I strive to be like him every day. Number 15. Fathers hold their children's hand for a short time, but hold their hearts forever. Number 16. The best dad get promoted to grandpa. Number 17. My dad is my hero, my friend, and my confidant. He is the one I turn to for advice, for comfort, and for love. Number 18. A father's love is forever, and it's the greatest gift a child can receive. Dear audience, I hope you find these quotes inspiring and heartwarming. Let me know if you have like more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.